This stocks that are in use in money control and economic times. Oh, really sorry. So I was just saying, I mean, how you trade is very simple. Let's say you have a buy call in SBI, 158.40. Uh, Once you get 158.40, you can do it directly on equities, or else you can trade even in futures also. Futures or even options. Kotak Bank is a buy. So you should trade on scripts which start from entry or entry price or target one. But in case if you ask me about Union Bank, let me just add it here. Union Bank, it started much below, I mean, right from intermediate target. So you can ignore that kind of calls, because usually when scripts are gap up open, they might retrace back also. So coming back to our trading tree calls, so let's see, all the calls that we got will be stored here. New alerts. So we have some calls, that is Z, we have a call. So that's an sell call. So whenever you get a sell call right below this brown line, it's better to short it below that. So once it breaks, because that acts as a very strong support. Now we have Z, Vedanta, UPL. So again, same thing for Vedanta. So you can see that there is a strong support here. So you can short it. You can short it here. So UPL, we have an sell call. You can short it right below this. So you have Ultratech Cement. We have a buy here. So you can buy above this price. So Reliance, we have a buy. Hindalco, we have a sell. Divi's sell. ITC sell. BPCL sell. So Ultratech Cement, you can place it there. So Torrent Pharma, again, you have this sell call, but I think it's going to bounce back, because there are two supports here. So Maruti, you can short it here, 3588, but it's going to retrace back. So you have Mindtree is a buy, so you can buy above this price, 1425. Nifty, you can just see that it's a gap down open, but it's moving up because you have two supports here, that is a PP and this brown line at 7127. In case if it breaks this, then you can see a downside of 7045. ONGC. So Reliance has done its intermediate target. So whenever a particular script makes its targets, you can either keep trailing your stop losses, or you can book your profits and exit the trades. So Tech Mahindra, all these calls that got generated are right from your entry prices, except this Union Bank. So can is a buy now. Century Textiles, I'll change it to IDBI. We have a buy call there. We have almost all buy calls except Axis Bank, Axis and HDFC Bank. So the banking pack is in green. So can be like the market is. So Nifty, the entry is 7194. That is your buy price. So another 15 points, we should get a buy call in Nifty. So SBI has done its intermediate target. So these are your intermediate target levels. You can exit here, or else you can keep trailing your stop losses so that you can get maximum out of each trade. Tata Motors, I have a buy. Let me add it in the place of Union Bank. So Arminda Pharma, you can short it at 650.50. But there is a strong support. You have this brown line here. ICICI Bank, we have a buy call. So that's IDFC. Idea, you'll get an buy. So that's ICICI Bank. You can buy here 197.60. So I already have a buy call here. So let me add that in place of. So let this calls all Axis Bank. So 197.40 is the entry. So there you go. You have buy calls in both TradingTree and the cash tree. But otherwise, if you ask me, ALBK has done its final target. So at final target is a safe level targets where you can exit. But in case if you have both the application, what I have here, that is the TradingTree and you know that there's still upside. It can go up to 140.40. So I'll still stay long on this Bank of Baroda call. Now ALBK, I have this. So I see a possibility of 44 rupees here. So I can still wait on ALBK. So that is our final last target here. So Can Bank, let me just pick some trades. Bank Nifty, you'll get a buy call. Same thing with Bharat Forge. Bharti Airtel, you can buy at 325. BHEL, you'll get a buy. That's a gap down open. It's retracing back. Biocon, you can buy it at 466. So BPCL already has crossed. So that is your entry. Can India, you can see that it has taken the support and then it's retracing back. We'll wait for a buy call there. Can Bank is still upside. But Century is flat. CESE you can again short it at 422.20. Cipla you can expect it to go to 530.80. I already have an buy call here. Can Bank you can will still stay long on Can Bank. Coal India it's better to exit. We have a sell call. It made its intermediate target. So since we know the trend here, it's moving upwards, so we can exit. And Nifty is sort of recovering from its gap down open. Now it is at 7185. It's Coalpal, Crompton Greaves, DHFL. Divis you can short it here, 960.60. So you have a buy in Bank Nifty. So you have a buy in Bank Nifty. Your entry is 14298. So IDBI has done all its targets. So let's pull IDBI out. So IB Real Estate, your entry is this 48.55. So IDFC, your next target is 41. It's already 41.70. So Infosys, you can buy above 1128. IOC, that might not trigger. It will not trigger. So IRB, you can buy at this price, 220.53. ITC will ignore this because you have a strong support there, so you can exit this sell call here. So Jindal Steel we can expect an buy call. It's on news, so it has done its intermediate target. Jubilant Food gap up open, and then we had this sell that will not trigger. In case if you want to short it, you can short it at triple line, but that might not happen. We'll get an buy call again, then we can enter into that trade. That's Kotak. KTK is already done its intermediate target. That's M&M. You can see Nifty, you can expect a buy call. Other 10 points up, you'll get a buy call. Petronet can make 247. So PNB, you're seeing that we already have a buy call. It has done its targets too. That's SBI. It has done all its targets. You can see that here. You can still stay long on SBI, Bank of Baroda, ALBK, Can Bank. So the complete banking pack is up, including the private banks except your HDFC and HDFC Bank. So you can exit this too and look for some more good trades. So in case if you have any doubts, please type it in the chat box. I have a buy in Sun TV, so let me add Sun TV here. Exide 2 I have a buy. So it has broken this resistance. So your next level of target will be 724. So we have a buy call in Bank Nifty now. HDFC Bank is a sell call. Havels is a buy. This bank has done its final target here, but you can still wait on S Bank. So Maruti we have a sell entry. So we can ignore this for time being, because we are seeing that it's a gap down open and it's actually sort of moving upwards. So you can just ignore that call. So that's how you can filter the calls when you have both the applications. So 163 is a possibility if Nifty moves up. You'll have to subscribe for it, Bhaskar. It's not free. So in case you want to, we are just sort of half an hour from the market open. So let me just give you an idea of, in case if you would have traded, what will be your profits by now. I'll just type it here. So SBI, I'm taking the futures. So the current price is 161.80. 158.40 was your entry. So that's around 3.4 rupees. Into 2000 is your lot size. So that's around 6,800. Bank of Baroda, The current price is 140. Your entry is 137.20. That's 2 rupees 80 paise into 3100 is your lot size. That's 8600. And let me just take ALBK 42.90 was your entry, and the current price is 43.50. So that's around 60 paise. ALBK 6000 is the lot size, so that's around 3600. Though it has done its final profit, I'm not adding that. I'm just taking the current market price. Can Bank, your entry is 172.50. Current price is, sorry, 172.50. Current price is 173.90. So that's around 1 rupee 40 paise in that. And your lot size is 2000 for Can Bank. So that's around 2800. PNB, your entry was 72.80. The current price is 73.80. That's 1 rupee. Your lot size is 4000 in that. So that's around 4000 on PNB. We have Hero MotoCo. I'll let Bajaj Auto will wait on that. But, Hero Moto 2625 is your entry. Now it is at 2645. So that's 20 rupees. 200 is the lot size. 4000 on Hero. L&T we have a buy call now, 1150. You can see that here. HUL we have a sell. Adani Ports we have a sell. So let me just calculate IDBI. IDBI is 5460 is the current price. Your entry is 5370. So that's around 90 paise in that. And your lot size is 8000. So that's 7200. And let me take Yes Bank. Your current price is 720, sorry, and your entry was 713.40. So that's around 6 rupees 60. Say lot size is 700 for Yes Bank. That's around roughly 4600. And let's take Reliance Tata Motors. Reliance is 43 948 80 is your entry. 943.20 is your entry. That's around 5 rupees 60 paise. Into 500 is your lot size. So that's around 2,800 rupees. So if you just on an average, if you calculate what is 9 trades, how else you can buy at this price, 283.60. So Bank of India, we have an buy call, but it's already done and all its profits. It was a gap down open, so that's a buy price 87.10. But in case if you just have a look at here, it has done its final targets. So if you calculate your profits, then just roughly around 369 trades. That's around 44,000 rupees. It is roughly around, let's say around 1 hour from the market open. So you can just wait on. You might get the Nifty is down again by 22 points. So we can wait on this and see in case if we can get some more new calls, fresh calls. ACC you can short it at 1250. Access you can again short it here, 390.70. So Bajaj Auto is in a huge gap up open. Bank Nifty, I think it would have hit a stop loss. Let's just check. One four two four three is your stop loss. So Tata Steel has done its final target, 251. So if you just calculate Tata Steel, 249, 249.30 is their entry. Now it is at 251.90. So that's 2 rupees 60 paise. 2000 is the lot size. So that's another 2500 rupees on Tata Steel. 5200. So Jindal Steel we have a buy. Asian Paint we have a buy. So this is a tough call because we have two strong resistances here. Same thing with Jindal Steel, but in case if it we have fundamental news on this, we can buy at this price 58.30. So once it crosses over this brown line. So Hiromoto now is at 2648. So Tata Steel you can see it's 253.30. So let's see what will be the next target. Once it crosses 253.80, your next level should be 256. So we can stay long on Tata Steel. So it's 10 o'clock now. The commodity markets are open. So I have put this in 5-minute mode, that is for intraday. So you're seeing aluminium is a gap up open. Copper, you can buy above this 315.30. So crude oil is a gap down open. So you'll have to wait in commodities for some time before you can pick the call, because there will be huge gap up and gap down opens. Gold is a gap up open. So again, the metals are lead is also in gap up. So menthol oil is flat. Natural gas is also a gap down open. You can see it here. It started at S2. Yeah, nickel is in. It has been flat trade from past 2 days. That's silver. Zinc also is in gap up open. So with TradingTree application, you'll be able to trade in all these segments. That is equity, futures, options. We have only Nifty and Bank Nifty options. You can trade in commodity. You can trade in agri, that is NCDEX, and you can trade in currency, and you can even trade in forex also. So that's the advantage what you have in TradingTree. That is this charting application. and you can trade both intraday and positional. So let me just put it in 30-minute mode. So you can see that we had this buy call in zinc yesterday at 10:30. So that let's just check what is the profit on that. So that is around 3 rupees 34 paise. So that's nothing but into 5,000 is your lot size. So that's a trade worth 16,500 rupees. In case if it is an positional, if you would have had that position, then this would have been your profit at this point of time. So natural gas, we have a sell. It's a gap down open, so obviously you have a sell call there. So in case if you want to trade in intraday basis, just put it in 5 minutes. 5 or even 10 minutes also is fine for commodities. So this sell has not triggered. So natural gas S2, let me see where we can enter this. I think we are nowhere in the range. It has been falling. We can just wait for some more time and then take a call on this. So usually when there is a huge gap up open, at the prices usually tend to fall down. And in case if it falls down, then you'll get a sell call, then you can enter the trades. So this buy call which got generated yesterday, it was around 540. Let's see what is the profit on this. So in case if it have closed and the night, and that's around 500 points, it's nothing but 51,000 rupees on gold. That is on an intraday basis. Z you can enter at 384. Nifty is sort of flat. We should get a buy in UPL. So Hero Moto has done its final target 2650. It has already done. Maruti also should be making its final target. So there is an entry here on TradingTree, but you can just see that you already have profits in that. Just replace Sun TV with Excite because we were watching this in the morning. So that's a position in HDFC and HDFC Bank. So you can see that it's done intermediate target there. So that is resting at the S2 level. Same thing with HDFC Bank also. So idea you can enter here 108.60. ZTV should make its final target. Now we have a buy call. Star we have a buy. So you can buy at this level 930.50. You can call me Bhaskar, you can call me on just a minute. You have a buy in BHL. So we are seeing that the two resistances here will buy above this PP line 105.60. ALBK again you can enter above 44.20. So BPCL is down. Our entry point was 773. Yes. It's now at 765. So in case if you have any queries, please type it in the chat box. So aluminium, you can buy above this price, 105.90. So we have a buy in ITC, HCL, we have a buy. So ITC, your sell call has hit the stop loss. Oh, it's still there. 305 is the stop loss. So entry for HCL Tech is 847. So we can buy HCL Tech here, 847, 40, and your target will be 853, first target. ITC, a safe level of buying will be 304.30. So we have an entry in HCL Tech. So this how you can keep trading in case if you are an intraday trader every day. So you'll be getting multiple number of calls. There are cases when you'll get calls on both the buy side and the sell side in the same script. So if you just wait and watch, you'll get some good trades. And the idea behind having this kind of an application and trading is to make at least 10 or 20,000 rupees every day. So in case if you have seen this today's trades, these are some of the today's trades that we have. You can just calculate the profits on your own. So we're seeing commodities. So aluminium you can buy above 105.90. I'll draw a line there. Copper, you see that we said our buy price was something here, 315.40. It's now at 315.75. You can short crude now, 2084. So gold you can buy 29450. You can take small profits here. So lead is already up. That is your entry price, 120.50. Mentha oil you can enter here, 964. Natural gas you can short it now, 128 you can short. Nickel is already gone up. I think we should have observed this. 575.80 is your entry. Silver you can enter above this R2, 37595. Zinc you can enter here, 11785 or 90. So in case if you're doing uh, let's say commodities, it's very simple. Now you're just seeing this trade, the sell side. We got this call at around 8 o'clock. So you will short it here at this price, or rather here. And just look for 10 points in crude, put 10 lots. You'll be able to make 10,000 rupees on some trades. and keep your stop losses also. Same thing with gold. Gold, you can look for 30 or 40 points, or let's say even 50 points, and then put multiple number of lots, come out irrespective of whether the trade goes up or comes down or whatever it is. Just have a target of 50 points, 100 points in silver. You can definitely make a decent amount. So Reliance, we have a sell, Motherson Sumi sell, Hexaware sell, Sun TV, I think it has hit a stop loss. We had a buy call there, but it did its intermediate target. Yes Bank, we have a sell now. So Yes Bank, the sell entry is 708, but buy we already have seen profits there. So L&T, possibility of an stop loss. We had a buy call 1150. 1146 is your stop loss. So you'll lose around 4 rupees there. So Yes Bank, you can short it here 710 45. SKS, you can short here 491.40. Sun TV, you can short it below this S1 level 329.90. Reliance will wait. So M&M, your next target is 1235. So our buy entry was here above this R1 1212. I'll add that in place of Sun Pharma. It has been flat. Should get a buy call in Jubilant Food. Hexaware, you can short it at 225. Oh, That's here below, right below S1. The reason why I'm telling below S1 is your first level of support is here, and in case if the support breaks, then it is bound to fall. So we were expecting this buy call and jubilant food. We have already got it. So you can buy above this PP. So 1020, and let's see what's the entry here. I'll place it in. So that was on sell already. So 1029 is the entry here, but there in trading tree 1020 is the entry. Tech Mahindra has done its final target. Now it is at 434.70. You can even trade in only two scripts also. We have given you a facility for 30. So it's up to you whether you want to trade in all 30 or 10 or 1 or whatever it is. So you have feasibility here. So in case if the reason why we have 30 here is, let's say on days when there is a huge gap up open. most of the scripts will start their entry prices right below your intermediate target. So in that case, you're not going to pick the calls. So what's going to happen is you'll have to wait. I mean, there might be some scripts which will start at the, like what you're seeing in LNT right now. Though all the scripts have given profits, made their final targets, LNT has just entered now. So for another 5 rupees intermediate target, you can definitely enter trades like this. So we have that facility. You can use it as you like it. So we have a buy in HDFC. So buy entry is the 10 rupees, 1071. LNT, you can see that we have a buy confirmation. Nifty, we have a buy. Hindalco, we have a buy. So you can see once it is confirmed here, then you can just go to your charts and then you can start buying here. In case if you have TradingTree, you can buy here 1157. That is your buy entry. And we should get a buy in ACC. So Nifty is in green now. So ALBK, the target can be 4460. You know that we have a buy here. So we can expect another 40 paise here on this particular trade. So we don't need to exit. Asian Paint, you can buy again at this level, 842, 843. Bajaj Auto, Bank Nifty you can buy at 14,375. Bharat Forge has already done its targets. You can still enter the trade here at 780.10. That's Bharti Airtel. Let me get so M&M. The next target is 2150. It seems like a possibility. Hero Moto, let's check what's the next level. There's a possibility of 2670 at least. So you can trade this way. You can have a combination of both the trading tree and your cash tree, and then you can see the trend targets there, and then you can maximize your profits. So I'll close this webinar at 11 o'clock. In case if you have any other queries, you can just type it in the chat box. See the charts, both the applications, that is charting application and the Excel applications are both different applications. So in case if you want it, you can have both of them, or else with the Excel application, we'll give you one other application which is Ammyy Broker. So you'll get the trend there and then you'll get the prices here. You can trade on that, or else what you can do is you can take the charting application with Ammyy Broker. That is again a combination. So it's up to you. You'll have to choose it. So we'll wind up this meeting for today. In case if you have any queries, you can just call me. I think I have already shared my number with you. And the post lunch, let's say for the mid session, I'll again record the trades and then I'll post it on YouTube channel. You can again have a look at what's happening or what has happened in the morning or in the next trades also. So thanks for coming. Bye.